Next, PTM discovery. So here we do some, de-isotoping, peak trimming. This is just some general parameters for that. Again, typically you don't need to change any of these. Search parameters, same things that we observed in the calibration task. GPTMD again starts with just a search task. Same basic parameters. Same fixed and variable mods that we discussed before.
In the search parameters, those mass tolerances were automatically overwritten after calibration. So if you were to start with the GPTMD first and not do a calibration, it would use these values. But if you've run calibration, it's going to overwrite these automatically to whatever's appropriate for the file.
Yeah, we do file-specific parameters that are allowed to carry through, and I'll discuss that briefly in a moment. So GPTMD, so this is where you can select any modifications that you want to look for with our global post-translation modification discovery strategy. So here we have lists of common biological modifications that you might want to look for. So acetylations, methylations, some basic glycosylations, phosphorylations, etc. So we have this on by default. There's some less common modifications on some different residues. You can go through and select whatever you would want. There's not really much of a penalty for adding more mods, which is one of the great things about GPTMD. We have some metals that show up either biologically or can be artifacts of sample handling, and common artifacts as well that are typically due to sample prep, water loss. We have those GPTMD mods, good to go. Add task.